How does concrete bonding adhesive work? Well, when you think about what concrete is, it's water, Portland cement, and then aggregates mixed together. So if you were to do that, if you were to mix those things together and you were to pour that end result onto some old concrete, well, the two actually will kind of bond together pretty well. I mean, if you were to take a hammer after it cures and start hitting them, they'll probably delaminate cleanly because it wasn't really a strong mechanical bond between the two, but that's how the process works. So what is bonding adhesive? Well, bonding adhesive is kind of the same thing that I just described. It's some Portland cement and it's some water, maybe even a little bit of aggregate like sand, but you're also adding glue to the mix, like white glue or yellow carpenter's wood glue. Both of those would work. If you make that mix of Portland cement and some water, maybe a little bit of sand, and add a healthy dollop of glue, let's say at least 10% of the liquid content of this mix made up from this glue. So if you were to add, 1 liter of water, that's how much you would normally add to this mix in particular. Well, then instead of adding 1 liter of water, add 10% less water and make up the difference with this liquid wood glue. If you do something like that, then you'll end up with a bonding adhesive, and that bonding adhesive is what you would use between a layer of old concrete and new concrete that you're trying to get to bond to it. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.